Tips for protecting your business with Microsoft Cybersecurity. Microsoft Cybersecurity Tools. Microsoft is a leading provider of cybersecurity solutions, offering a comprehensive suite of tools designed to help businesses protect their data and systems from cyber threats. Microsoft's cybersecurity tools can help you defend against a wide range of cyber attacks and keep your business safe and secure. Key tips for protecting your business with Microsoft Cybersecurity Tools. Implement multi-factor authentication. One of the most effective ways to enhance your business's security is by implementing multi-factor authentication for all user accounts. Regularly update your software. Keeping your software up to date is essential for protecting your business from security vulnerabilities. Utilize Microsoft's Advanced Threat Protection. Microsoft offers advanced threat protection solutions that can help you detect and respond to sophisticated cyber threats. Secure your cloud environment. If your business uses cloud services, such as Microsoft Azure or Office 365, it is crucial to secure your cloud environment to prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. Conclusion. In conclusion, protecting your business with Microsoft Cybersecurity Tools is a vital step in safeguarding your data and systems from cyber threats. By implementing robust security measures, staying informed about the latest cyber threats, and leveraging Microsoft's advanced tools, you can significantly enhance your business's security posture and defend against potential attacks.